old school right there. Now you got to check the engine out though. This is the serious thing. The engine was too. Once we put the new deck on, too heavy.
You mean the original engine was too heavy?
No, the original engine. Once we put this new all the teak on here, because it was veneer teak, and then it wore off, and it was just plywood. And if we were in big waves, as you know, Cleveland, or Lake Erie is, you get in some big waves, we couldn't get on a plane. So we threw this thing in there.
That's fantastic. Here are the former buildings of the Lyman factory.